Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box, and for this month it's the Boxy Luxe. So I subscribe to the Boxy Luxe box, and so yeah, the BoxyCharm looks like this. And I've been subscribed to BoxyCharm. It's about a year now. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I pay this subscription with my own money, but if in case BoxyCharm wants to sponsor me, like, hey, just kidding. So BoxyCharm is a makeup subscription box. They send it in a box like this, but the regular BoxyCharm box is maybe like about the size of my tablet. So yeah, they give you 5 full products of anything between makeup and skincare, and they also have different kinds of box and different kind of payment options that you like. But these are some of the brands that they work with and some of the brands that you will receive on your box. So yeah, and honestly ever since I've subscribed to BoxyCharm, like, they've never let me down. I really love everything I've gotten in the box. So yeah, you just fill out the questionnaire, and after you sign up and everything, then you get your box. So the box retails, I believe now it's 25. And then this box I have is a little bit bigger, so it's like a shoe box. This is the Boxy Luxe, and it goes every 3 months, and that's additional, oh my gosh, I think is about $50. So that's additional, the price of the Boxy Luxe is additional to your BoxyCharm subscription. So just making that clear. Just check like the other details, or I'll put in the description box below. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this Boxy Luxe box. Alright, so I opened it already just to see what's inside, but I didn't open any of the products, so let's do that.
And I put a tape so that it keeps opening, so yeah. Alright.
So when you open it, your box is always gonna be full, honestly, but because this is the Boxy Luxe version, so there's more products than what you usually get. So yeah, next month I'll show you my BoxyCharm for a regular month. So yeah, this is the Boxy Luxe. It comes with like a card like this. So their theme is glam vibes only. So it says Boxy Luxe right here. Then when you open it, there's a lot of stuff. So in the back of this card, it has the list of the products and the prices and the description. So first in the box that I see is a it's original coffee scrub by Frank Body, and it retails for $16.95. So yeah, I'm excited to try this, and it looks like it has a lot inside. So I've never tried this, and it has a sealer, so I can open it and then close it again. So I just want to see what's inside. Like, I'm curious. I don't drink coffee, but this is interesting. Oh, it is coffee. It is coffee. Oh, it's a coffee scrub. Yeah, so this is, oh, I don't want it to fall. This is what it is. It's coffee. It smells like coffee, and yeah, so that's interesting. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, excited. So next in the box is this Kerotherapy Deep Conditioning Mask, and this retails for $24. This says you leave in for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. So next in the box that I pulled out is this Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. It's good for all skin types. It's an intensive exfoliating treatment. Looks like this. And this retails for $85. So let's open it to see what's inside. Oh. So it just looks like this. The color of the product is green. Smells good. It smells like mint. Is there mint? It doesn't say the ingredients it has, but it smells like there's mint and cucumber and like everything that you could make in a green juice. So the next product that we have here is the Persona lip gloss. It's vegan and gluten-free, and it's in the shade Honey, and this retails for $16. Oh, looks like this. So it's in Honey, let me just tell you, and it looks like a really good nude brown. So next I have is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Freestyle highlighter duo, and this is the packaging. It's exciting because I never tried anything of Fenty Beauty. I know I'm kind of late in the thing, and this retails for $36. So let's open it. Ooh, look at the color. So let's open it. If I can open it. Let's just open it in the bottom. Okay, so the packaging looks like this, and here is the back. And look, I'm so excited. Eyeshadow palette by, who's this by? Hold on. Oh, so it's the Zion eyeshadow palette by Hip Dot, and this retails for $30. So yeah, it also says that there. So let's open it to see. By the way, if you do have BoxyCharm, I want to see what kind of items you got in yours, because I know they have, not every BoxyCharm is the same. There are similar products, but some they give like 2 options. So let's see. They smell, I like to smell it. So it doesn't smell bad. It smells like brand new shoes, but that's okay. But here's the colors. Right. And then there's also a mirror, and also the Fenty. So the last 2 products I have is first is this Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Ooh, I love face masks. It's by 111 Skin. And this retails for $135. So yeah, there's 5 masks, and this is what it looks like, just like the box. And here's the back. I'm not gonna open it right now, but I'll do a video on testing what I got in my BoxyCharm. So the last thing I got in my box is, and it's the last one, there's no more. Oh, I love new brushes. So this is from Per the Complexion Authority, and this retails for $49. So it comes in a case like this. You have to open here, and then you open. Oh, look, that's so cute. So it's 12 pieces. There's a lot. Ooh, I love the ones like these you can do on your brows and stuff. So have a lot, and I'm definitely gonna try these out. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me on my unboxing of my Boxy Luxe. If you guys have BoxyCharm, I want to see what you guys got in your boxes too, because I'm just nosy like that. But connect with me on Instagram. I do have Twitter, but I don't really go on it sometimes. And yeah, comment down your video requests and what other videos you want to see on my channel. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe while you're here and click the notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.